Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix Canva when it's not working or responding on your laptop. Whether Canva is slow to load, freezing, or not opening at all, these simple steps can help get things running smoothly again. On your Canva dashboard, let's say we are already experiencing a problem. We can start by refreshing Canva. Click the refresh button or press F5 on your keyboard. Once we press F5, it will refresh the page. As you can see, it is now refreshing. Another option is to clear the browsing history. Click on Settings and go to Browser Settings, then navigate to Privacy and Security. Once we are here, click Clear Browsing Data and clear the data. We should also check for the latest browser version. Go to Opera Help or the Help section of whichever browser we are using and update it. After the update is done, restart the laptop. Once the laptop is back on, go to the Extensions menu. We can manage extensions from the upper right corner. Check through the list and remove the extensions we no longer need, or simply disable them. Once that is done, save the changes. Next, try using a different browser to see if Canva works there. Sometimes compatibility issues can cause problems with a specific browser. After doing all of this, Canva should now be working properly again. That's how we can fix Canva issues on a laptop and get back to designing without any interruptions. With just a few quick fixes, we can improve performance and avoid problems in the future.